Getting ready to remove the airbag on this Nissan. Right here you have the bolts that you need to loosen up in order to pull out the airbag. There's one on this side and you have another one on the opposite side. The other side we have already loosened up. Carefully just pop out this plastic cover right here and just be careful so that you don't damage the trim. Next, we'll need to use a Torx bit to loosen this up. And a regular Torx bit does not work, so right here is a regular. But here we have a secure type that has a hole in the center. This is a T30. It's very important that you press on this at the same time, otherwise you're going to strip that bolt and you won't be able to get out of the airbag. In this case the bolt did come out. You need to be very careful to not drop the bolt. Here we're getting ready to remove the airbag on the Nissan. So we have removed the two bolts on the side. Now we can pull the airbag out. You need to make sure you're staying about 2 feet away from the airbag, because if it does deploy accidentally, it can seriously injure you. Right here we have the cables that need to be unplugged. They are locked in place with these black clips right here, so you need to pop these out first. So you can see that one is popped out. The same thing for this one. Now you can go ahead and remove these wires.